This is an emergency tsunami warning.
Earthquakes are natural disasters that can cause catastrophic damage to human life and infrastructure. In this video, we will be looking at some of the most powerful earthquakes caught on camera. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which is the layer of molten rock beneath the crust. When these plates move past each other, they can create pressure and tension along their boundaries, which can lead to earthquakes. They can cause widespread damage to buildings, infrastructure, and communities, and lead to the loss of life and property. These are earthquakes around the world from 1901 to 2021. In this video, we will be looking at some of the most powerful earthquakes caught on camera.
Tsunami 警報が出ました。
This is an emergency tsunami warning.
Tohoku earthquake in Japan. On March 11th, 2011, a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 9.0 struck off the coast of Japan. The earthquake was one of the most powerful in recorded history and triggered a tsunami with waves up to 40 meters high, which inundated coastal areas and caused massive destruction. The tsunami also caused damage to several nuclear power plants, including the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, resulting in a nuclear disaster. The disaster caused significant loss of life, with over 15,000 people confirmed dead and many more missing. The damage to infrastructure and buildings was extensive, and many communities were left without access to basic necessities like electricity, water, and food. In the aftermath of the disaster, the Japanese government and international aid agencies launched a massive relief effort to assist the affected communities. The disaster highlighted the importance of disaster preparedness and response, and led to a renewed focus on developing and implementing effective disaster management strategies. #, 2010 Haiti earthquake. On January 12, 2010, a devastating earthquake struck Haiti, a small country in the Caribbean. The earthquake had a magnitude of 7.0, and its epicenter was located about 25 kilometers west of the capital, Port-au-Prince. The earthquake caused widespread destruction throughout the country, with many buildings and structures, including hospitals, schools, and government buildings, collapsing or being severely damaged. The earthquake also triggered landslides and disrupted communication and transportation infrastructure, making it difficult for rescue and relief efforts to reach those in need. The death toll from the earthquake is estimated to be between 100,000 and 300,000 people, with many more injured or displaced. The disaster had a profound impact on the country and its people, exacerbating existing social, economic, and political challenges. In the aftermath of the earthquake, the international community mobilized to provide aid and support to the people of Haiti. This included efforts to provide food, water, shelter, and medical care to those affected by the disaster. However, the relief efforts were hampered by a lack of coordination and infrastructure, as well as political instability in the country. On February 6, 2023, a powerful earthquake struck southeast Turkey near the Syrian border. The earthquake, which had a magnitude of 7.8, was the strongest to hit Turkey in over a century. The earthquake caused widespread damage in both Turkey and Syria, with over 20,000 people killed and over 100,000 injured. The earthquake caused widespread damage in both Turkey and Syria. The earthquake struck at 4:17 a.m. local time and was felt in several countries in the region, including Turkey, Syria, Iraq, Iran, and Lebanon. The epicenter of the earthquake was located near the town of Gaziantep, Turkey, about 10 kilometers from the Syrian border. In Turkey, the earthquake destroyed or damaged over 100,000 buildings, including homes, schools, and hospitals. The earthquake also triggered landslides and caused widespread flooding. In Syria, the earthquake caused damage to buildings in several cities, including Aleppo, Raqqa, and Deir ez-Zor.
Were destroyed.
The Nepal earthquake of 2015 was a catastrophic event with a magnitude of 7.8. The epicenter was near the capital city of Kathmandu, causing widespread destruction across the country. The earthquake caused significant loss of life and property in Nepal. Historical monuments, including UNESCO World Heritage Sites such as the Dharahara Tower and the Kathmandu Durbar Square, were reduced to rubble. Residential buildings, schools, and hospitals collapsed, trapping people under the debris. After the earthquake, international aid organizations, neighboring countries, and volunteers from around the world rallied together to provide humanitarian assistance to Nepal. The Nepal earthquake of 2015 was a tragic event that shook the nation to its core. However, it also brought out the strength and resilience of the Nepalese people and showcased the power of international solidarity.
We've got 3 helicopters flying.
1960 emerges as the most disastrous earthquake year of modern times.
Even today,
The Great Chilean Earthquake, also known as the Valdivia earthquake, occurred on May 22, 1960, and is the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. It had a magnitude of 9.5, resulting in widespread devastation across Chile. The seismic activity triggered numerous landslides, tsunamis, and aftershocks, further compounding the destruction.
Thousands are dead. 1/4 of the nation, over 2 million homeless. Whole cities have been reduced to shambles.
Chile faced an enormous humanitarian crisis. The government, alongside international aid organizations and neighboring countries, launched massive relief efforts to assist the affected communities. The Great Chilean Earthquake of 1960 stands as a testament to the immense power of nature and its ability to shape nations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for being a part of our community. We look forward to bringing you more exciting and educational videos in the future. Stay safe, stay curious, and until next time, goodbye and thank you from our team.